Demavo Power Control Switch Series. Built-in LED indicator lights up when powered. With multicolor customization available, it adopts flame-retardant materials and waterproof design. 2 switch configurations available. Multi-customization capable. Each switch undergoes rigorous testing. More than 10,000 switch cycles. Customizable with any number of pins. Compatible with various control panels. Easy installation. Widely used in various fields including vehicles, equipment, marine, and home applications. Demavo provide power and lighting solutions.